Just a quick note on the 2019s. If you have a 2019 Brozz, I am sending you with a new VIN tag. Okay. So let's see. All these tags were just overnighted to us from Bashan, and if you see, the date of manufacture is 05 of 19. Okay. If you ordered a 2019 Brozz, the original tag will say 05 of 10. Obviously that's not correct. It's a typo. So we are sending this out. It will come with it will come with 2 rivets that you can either use these or use your own, however you want to connect this to your bike. I suppose you don't, if your state isn't that strict on inspections, you probably don't need this. However, when you go to sell your bike, and it says 05 of 10, but your title says 2019, it might raise some questions. So I would definitely get this put on if you have a 19, just to get it out the way, and that way there's no problems in the future. But every piece of info on these, the original ones will be correct, except for the date of manufacture. So that needs to be corrected with this VIN tag, and I'm putting in the mail for those few people who've already ordered a 19, and everybody else will get this tag in the envelope with the paperwork when they get their bike. Just want to let everybody know.